I'm an inventor, and my patent is granted. Congratulations. How do I get funds to get my product manufactured? Really great question. I've written articles on this, fundraising, lots of different ways. I kind of like to start simple with, your own money. If you've got money saved up, or you've got lines of credit card, you've got access to a loan, a bank loan. Those are I know that's kind of sound boring, but those are the immediate ones. Then you can start going outside where you go to friends and family. Try to get some help. If this is something you're really passionate about, you should be able to convey that to friends and family. Dive into that bucket if you're not able to get loans or capital on your own. That's why I like the idea of keeping it close.
Yeah.
You need to go big, like large scale manufacturing. By then, hopefully, you've probably got at least other individuals or companies that are along this with you. And you now have more sophisticated investors, call it seed or Series A rounds. That's when, even any friends and family rounds, I would suggest you get with a business attorney and make sure that those contracts are drafted well, so you're set up for success in terms of ownership, what you're responsible to do, lots of different things. So how can an attorney set that up?
What about like inventor competitions, right? Just get your name out there. Because what he's asking, or what they're asking in this particular scenario, is like, so I have the patent, now what? Well, now you market, right? Now you go find the money, right? And you do that by, marketing essentially. Whether it's from mom or if it's for a company down the road, right? It's marketing.
Yeah, I think you're right there. Yeah, I think what is your business plan? How do you want to sell? How do you want to make money? Because that's what this is about. Getting a patent is about getting a return on your investment of time and money, hiring professionals to get the thing done. Is your plan to start a company? Okay, that's a big lift. That's a lot of risk, potential, a lot of reward. Or is it just simply to go find a partner and license it? It's a different type of money, perhaps, to go get. If you're looking to manufacture it, if it's a small batch, keep it local. Keep it local. It's going to give you the best ability to keep things confidential, work closely with the individual human beings involved. If you go out of state, it gets more risky, and out of the country, of course, the riskiest, but probably the lowest cost. So you can kind of, like Matt said, there's lots of different forums to do pitching, pitch your product, start being able to voice it, have a clear message. You're going to, learn how to talk about your invention a lot, what benefits are. But once you start making that product and selling it, you're going to get some very honest people giving you their opinion on what your product, how good it is, and maybe how you might want to tweak it to make it even better.